Hello everyone, I am Sujata Moril. In this video, we are going to discuss Laplace transform of periodic function. Periodic function, the function of periodic capital T is defined as f of t plus capital T equal to f of t where capital T is greater than 0. For example, sin t, f of t equal to sin t. We know that the graph of this sin t is wave function. Now here the period is 2 pi. After this 2 pi period, the curve is repeated. Therefore, its period is 2 pi. If we substitute the values here, f of t plus capital T equal to f of t, that means f of t plus 2 pi is we get same value, that means sin t. Now second example of periodic function is square wave function where f of t equal to 1 for t is lies between 0 to a, and if a is less than t less or equal to 2a, its value is minus 1. That means we get this type of graph square wave function. Here after the period of 2a the curve is repeated. That means up to this here this plus sign plus 1 then comes to minus 1 and again here plus to minus 1. That means period is 2a. After this 2a period the curve is repeated. Now when we taking Laplace transform of periodic function, we apply this formula number A. That means Laplace of f of t equal to 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus st. T means period here. Integration 0 to capital T. Again here capital T means period of the function. Then e to the power minus st f of t dt. Now, we apply this formula and find out the Laplace transform of periodic function. Now we discuss one example. Here, find the Laplace transform of periodic function f of t equal to kt by capital T for 0 less than t less than capital T. Now, if we draw the graph of this, here we get kt value upon t, we get for 0 to t, we get this term, and the curve is repeated after the period of capital T. That means the last answer in terms of capital T. Now, this wave is called as, this function is called as sawtooth wave function. Now we find out the Laplace transform of this sawtooth wave function. This is the periodic function, therefore we apply the formula for periodic function. Laplace of f of t equal to 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus s into capital T integration 0 to capital T e to the power minus st into f of t dt. Gives here equation number 1. The function, since the function f of t is a periodic function of period capital T. Therefore, we are applying this formula number A. Now we substitute the values. Here, Laplace of f of t, Laplace of f of t equal to 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus s into t. We write down this function as it is. Then integration 0 to t capital T e to the power minus st into f of t. F of t is here kt upon capital T. Now here k and capital T, which is the constant value, therefore we taking this value outside the integration sign. Remaining term we write down in the integration. integration 0 to t into e to the power minus st. Now we solve this integration by parts considering t as first function, e to the power minus st as second function. Therefore, we get k upon t into 1 minus e to the power minus s into capital T. Now here first function as it is, integration of second e to the power minus st upon minus s, then limits from 0 to t minus ddx of first, that means its value 1. Integration of this value continues by parts e to the power minus st upon minus s into minus s, that means s square, limits from 0 to t. Next derivative is 0, therefore we get only these two terms. Now here substitute the values, upper limit minus lower limit. For first term we get capital T e to the power minus s into capital T, and lower when we substitute lower limit, its value completely 0. Now for second term, minus 1 by s square into, when we substitute upper limit, we get e to the power minus st, and when we substitute lower limit, its value is minus of 1. Now, if we separate the terms, then we get k upon your dt get cancelled, and minus s into 1 minus e to the power minus st into, in numerator, e to the power minus st. This is the first term. Now, second term here, if we adjust this negative sign here, then here plus 1 by s square into k in numerator, therefore k by s square upon t, and this value 1 minus e to the power minus st get cancelled. We get the required result, Laplace of f of t, where f of t is a periodic function, its value equal to this. In this way, we solve the problems of periodic function, Laplace transform of periodic function. Thank you.